Hello everyone. You might have seen my previous video where I talked about how in TurboWarp, which is also compatible with Scratch 3, I made an implementation of the Pig Latin generator inspired by the task at freecodecamp.org. Originally this was a JavaScript task. I did it first in TurboWarp, which is kind of what I used my foray to getting into programming. And rather than learning JavaScript, I want to try to do string manipulation and other things with Python. So my next logical step was to take what I did here and try to implement it in Python. And after a lot of trial and error, I did it. So I kind of want to go line by line over what I did to accomplish this. First off, I imported read, which is the regex package that Python uses, and this is just a standard little package here that comes with Python when you install it. And I only declared one variable here, which is a string of a, and then originally I had this original thing which I made empty. Turns out I didn't have to do that. So everything kind of starts with this print, welcome to the Pig Latin generator, and then it prompts the user with an input called original, and it just says enter any English word. So the user enters a word, and immediately it starts to split things up. So for the orig in splitting up by the spaces of the original input, if the length of each word in the input is greater than 0 and it's all alphanumeric, then set the new variable word to lowercase version of orig, which is each word in the split of original, and then go through and Latinize each word. Right. So for each original input, or for each orig inside of original, Latinize the word that comes out of that. So we have to go up and look at our definition of Latinize. So I put a single input, which is token. So if, and I have to convert this to a string. So if this split between the vowels, including y, in token, becoming the first input, if it's equal to a token, then new word is token plus yay. That would mean if the first character in token is A, E, I, O, U, or Y, then new word just becomes the original token plus yay. Now, if the first character is not a vowel, then you have onset, which is a split between split of token between rhyme and the rest of the token. So first, in the Pig Latin generator I did in Scratch, I was able to first define onset, and then I derived rhyme from the onset. Here I actually found it was easier to derive onset from the rhyme. So I get rhyme by regex splitting the word between A, E, I, O, U, Y, and then anything else in the token. So anything that's before the first vowel, or sorry, anything that's after the first vowel, and then the onset becomes the derivative between everything that's after the first vowel and then before. Sorry, that was very convoluted. And then the new word is rhyme plus onset plus PYG, which of course is AY. Right, so let's look at how this works. The Scratch program, I could only put one word at a time. But you see, due to the first split operation down here, I could put in as many words as I want. So I could do hat, I could do string, I could do pig, I could do wig, I could do blend, and it puts everything out just as I want it. So hat becomes athe, string becomes ingstray, pig becomes igpay, wig becomes igway, end becomes endblay. So it works just as I intended, and of course, I'll do eagle again, puts it out as eagle yay. And ice would also be ice yay. So that's it for now. We'll see how my programming progresses with string manipulation. Thank you very much.